Welcome to our aviation exploration. Today, we're soaring through the skies to uncover some of the most common events that can cause damage to aircraft. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just curious about the intricacies of air travel, buckle up as we unveil the challenges faced by these engineering marvels. Segment 1. Bird Strikes. Our first stop takes us to the skies, where bird strikes pose a frequent challenge. During takeoff and landing, aircraft may encounter our feathered friends, resulting in potential damage to the fuselage, wings, or engines. Aviation authorities deploy bird control programs and enhance training for pilots to navigate this avian obstacle course safely. Segment 2. Hailstorms. Next, we venture into the atmospheric battlefield of hailstorms. The relentless force of hailstones can dent the aircraft's exterior, compromising windows and critical components. Airlines conduct thorough inspections post-hailstorm to ensure the aircraft's structural integrity remains intact. Segment 3. Turbulence. Now, let's navigate through the bumpy terrain of turbulence. While a common atmospheric phenomenon, severe turbulence can subject the aircraft to stress, potentially causing structural damage. Pilots rely on weather forecasts and onboard systems to navigate around turbulent areas whenever possible. Segment 4. Ground collisions. Taxiing and parking bring us to our next challenge: ground collisions. Aircraft in close proximity can face collisions, resulting in damage to wings, tails, or other sections. Ground crew training, advanced ground control systems, and improved taxiing procedures aim to minimize the risk of such incidents. Segment 5. Lightning strikes. Moving into the electrifying realm, aircraft are equipped to handle lightning strikes. While these strikes are relatively common, the built-in protection systems redirect electrical charges, ensuring minimal damage. Post-strike inspections are standard to confirm the aircraft's structural integrity remains intact. Segment 6. Foreign object debris FOD. Our final destination is the runway, where foreign object debris FOD poses a potential threat during takeoff and landing. From loose gravel to forgotten tools, FOD prevention programs, and regular inspections contribute to reducing the risk associated with debris on runways. As we conclude our journey through the challenges faced by aircraft, we appreciate the intricate engineering and safety measures in place. Vigilance, advanced technologies, and regular inspections play pivotal roles in ensuring the skies remain a safe haven for these flying wonders. Thank you for joining us on this aviation adventure. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the fascinating world of aviation. Until next time, happy flying!